Hello viewers, welcome to Corporani. Online maintenance and service app inside. Today we need to develop this here the edit card UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this design inside the XD files. Now need to open this here the XD files and similar to this UI need to develop here. This is the horizontal collizers we need to showing here and also need to card edit UI like this showing here. Now first of all need to making here the card edit UI and then after need to Corazal UI need to develop here. Let's first of all need to making here the screen. Now go inside the screens inside home folders and inside we need to create here the new files and to give this here the name edit card underscore screen dot like this creates and now first of all need to copy this here the order summary UI screens here and to paste this here now need to rename the screen name and we need to change this here the name edit card screen save here now we need to change this here the titles edit card like here and we need to remove this remove here inside this data containers maybe needs that's why not remove here the child another containers and also need this here so need to remove here childs and this is the back buttons and pay buttons like this showing now need to save here and now we need to go inside here the order summary and to pay button inside not pay you need to find out here the card edit buttons update need to use this here the context dot push extension methods we need to call this here the const edge is edit card screens and we need to save like this files and now need to click here and look like this here the showing this here the add card it add edit card UI now first of all need to making this here the UI need to develop here now need to go inside the edit and to create here the some text fields need to needs here text edit controllers txt card name of card name is equal to text editing controllers semicolons copy here paste this here like here and now need to configure this here the card number then after card month card year and last one is CVV like this that's here for the edit card. Now first of all making here the UI we need to developing here so need to create here the child creates here the column like this set here childs now need to set this here the text set here the titles name of card name on card and need to set here the styles text styles set here the color t color secondary text then after need to set this here the font size we need to set here the 14 like this showing here and to configure and we need to set this here the cross axis alignments as a start like this configures and look like this here the showing here and then after we need to creating here the text field to write down here and to set here the decorations input decoration set here the enable border need to set here the input border none. Then after we need to set this here the focused border. We need to set here the input border as a none, like this configures. Then after we need to set here the controllers, txt card name, and we need to set here the cost value. Now we need to set this here the int text. Enter card on name, like here's, and capitals. Look like this here the showing this here, and also need to set this here the text styles. So need to setting here, need to set here style. We need to set here the text styles. Set here color, t color, primary text. Then after we need to set here the font as a 17, and we need to set this here the font weight as need to set here the bold, like here. So need to configures, and look like this showing here, and this UI. Enter card numbers, enter card of num, and now need to creating here the dividers. Divider, set here const value, like this showing here for the card. Same as now need to copy and to showing this here the paste, and to write down here the card number, and enter card number, like this showing, and to give this here the some white space sized box. Give this here the height, so need to set here the 15s and const value, like this configures. Look like this showing here, and then after you need to configure this here the image of the right sides. Need to write down here the suffix widgets. Suffix widgets inside you need to given this here the image icon assets, and now need to set here the removing here the const value, and set here image, and set here the width. We need to set here the 15s, like this configures. Now need to find out here the master card image. Now need to copy relative path and to paste this here, and need to set suffix icon. Look like this showing here this icon, similar to our designs. We need to show here, and then after need to creating here the expiry and cvv need to write here. Now first of all need to copy this here the these dividers, and we need to paste this here, and now we need to create here the row childs, and now need to call this here the expand widgets, and we need to use this here the column, and we need to set this here the cross axis element as a set as a start. Now we need to cut this value here, and we need to paste this here, and also need to make sure we need to set here the input type, keyboard tab, input number, and also here's number, and we need to give this here the expiry date titles, like here. Now again we need to convert into the row, and we need to use this here the on widgets and to set here txt month and to set this here yy and also need to change this here txt number again, so need to copy and to paste this here. Now set it here the yy and txt here like this sets here for this ui and look like this here the showing and also need to remove this here the image. No needs here the suffix icon, so need to clean and we need to set here the const value, also replace here like this showing here. Yeah, now this row are the use here. Now need to use this here the cbb. Now need to first of all the copy this ui, paste here. Now need to remove here one and another's text fields, cut here, replace here, remove here the row and to write down here the cvv and txt cvv and need to write down here like here and look like this showing here. And also make sure you need to set here the expand flags, need to set here the 2 for year and like this set here the place like this showing this. And these cards modifications ui are the done and now need to developing this here the core as value. First of all need to I have find out here the core as value similar to here the library. This is the name of the core as slider plus version 6 and now need to install these versions inside our codes. Now need to copy install path and to find out here the pub space and we need to put this here the codes like this saving here and now so this here the designs inside the redeem and we need to configure this here the ui. Need to use this here's any. Now need to find out here the examples and we need to find here's any no center image slider demo. Then after to use this here menu need no loops, need to use this here the no loops. Now need to copy these sliders and we need to put here's here import this here the corager sliders like here's. Now we need to use this here the item and we need to pass this here. Set here comma paste this here and we need to set like this and to save here. Looks like this showing here. Now first of all making here the UI and then after need to configure other things. Now we need to set here child's as need to set here the stack children's and to give this here the backgrounds image and to pass this here the card copy relative path paste here copy relative path, and now need to paste this here. Now we need to set here the width and height, so need to configure here. We need to give this here the context dot width, use this here the 0.6, and also need to set here the height 3, and we need to set here fit as a box fit cover like here's, and also need to clip a rect, so need to set here's widget clip a rect, and we need to set here the border radius circular, and now need to set here the value of the 20 pi, and similar to show like this UI, and to remove this here the padding, and also remove here the margins, set here the unit 1 auto play, need to set here false, copy height and width, revise jump, and need to set here over to multiply by, need to change this here the height, and also need to remove this here, no need, and also need to configure this here the stack, set here the for is good cover, and you need to set here for by 3 by 2, like the settings here, and to configure this UI, and we need to set here the some space, height space box, give this here, and set here 20, and const value look like this showing here for this UI, similar to our designs, and another's now need to use here the value of need to showing here column childs, and we need to set here the padding symmetric, horizontals we need to set this here the 20, and we need to set here the text. Now first of all we need to copy any text here, and we need to paste this here. Now we need to set here color white, and fonts we need to set here 22, and we need to showing here the numbers of card 1 2 3 4 like sets, And also need to set here the font weight, bold, like this showing here's this UI. Now need to set here the main axis alignment. We need to set here the center and look like this showing here, and also need to configure here size box. Use this here the height 40, like this showing here. Also increase this here 25. Now display good, and also need to show this here the expiry date. Paste here expire one, 26, 12. Show. We need to set here the 15s, remove here the bold, and like this styles need to showing. And we need to set here the cross axis alignment. Also need to set here the start. Give this here the some space. Need to set here the 20, like this showing here. Also increase this here this space. Need to set here the 80, and similar to show this your designs. And now need to create here the this UI as a duplicates. Paste this here 3 times and look like this here the showing this UI. And also need to check another property available or not. View facturations need to set here, set here 0.5, not 0.8 is good. Check here the between paddings. We need to find out here. Otherwise, we need to include factors. Set here to like this, similar to show here our designs. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.